Hello, ako nga po pala si Lou Rinalus. Gusto ko lang po batiin ng happy 20th birthday si Carla Popular. Wish you all the best and ingat po kayo palagi. Best wishes po. God bless you. Happy birthday po.
Happy 20th birthday, Carla Popular. God bless sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday, mga Carla.
Happy 20th birthday, Carla Popular. God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Carla Popular. Lovely to meet you. How are you? It's your birthday. Happy birthday. I hope that you're having fun celebrating your birthday with your loved ones. Wish ko kung ano-ano mo. Wish mo para sa your birthday. Siyempre, kasama na lang naman yung health, happiness, love, peace, and abundance. Again, happy birthday. Bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Carla Popular! Wishing you all the best in life. Health, happiness, love, and success. May God grant you the desires of your heart. Enjoy your special day with your family, loved ones, and friends.
Happy 20th birthday, Carla. Very good to see you. Enjoy your day and wish you all the best. Yes. God bless you and sana lahat ng video mo kapag yun. See you soon. Ingat palagi.
Hello, Carla Popular. This is John Lucas, Daron Encantada. Happy 20th birthday nga pala sa'yo. Wish you all good health and happiness in your life. I hope to meet and see you soon.
Carla Popular, it's me, Chelsea Fausto of Bogoyang and happy kapatid. Gusto na kong batiin ng happy 20th birthday. Nag-enjoy ka on your very special day. God bless you. Keep it nice.
Hi, Carla Popular. This is Angel Guardian. Wish you happy 20th birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you. Stay healthy. Bye.
Hello there, Carla Popular. Happy birthday. Enjoy your debut. May God bless you more. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Ingat ka.
Happy 20th birthday sa'yo, Carla Popular. God bless you at mag-ingat ka. Enjoy your birthday at manlibre ka.